It's Christmas time.
Hey guys, can we just talk about how Stella is laying? I'm here editing a video, or actually I'm editing a vlog, and she's laying like this. She's like behind my pillow and like over my shoulder. Stella. And then I got some dogs over there. You can't see. Oh well. But yeah. Oh, you're gonna move, Stella? Hey guys, so my parents got home and they got me a memory card on the way home, and I am so thankful for that because I have no idea where my memory card went. Like, it just grew legs and ran away. Like, it didn't want to be with me anymore. Whatever, I'm over it. But yeah, so I just finished filming a video and I'm going to try to edit it and start uploading because I have really slow internet, so it takes forever for me to upload things. But I'm going to try to do that and get it up today. I really want to get it up today. But yeah, if not today, then it will definitely be up tomorrow. Or you'll be seeing this, and I hope it's up when this vlog is up. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I think my mom and I are going to go to Target. But yeah, I'll update you later. Hey guys, so I am kind of out of breath because my dog just decided to run away, so I had to run down the street and chase after her and then grab her, and now my foot's bleeding because I didn't put any socks with my shoes, and now it's bleeding. So there's that. Oh look, it tells you what road we're on. But yeah, and we're going to Target again. We were at Target like 2 days ago, but whatever. I love Target.
Now we're going to At Home and Home Depot.
We're not going to Target?
We might go to Target, I don't know.
We will go to Target. And Michael's.
Michael's is not this way.
Well, it's by Target. So we're going to Target, Michael's, Garden Ridge, and Home Depot. Hey guys, so right now I'm just sitting in the car and my mom just went into Lowe's and I didn't want to go in there. Lowe's is just boring. But yeah, I'm just sitting here and oh, we got Target. We got Sonic, and this is just water. But I also got a Oreo Blast, and I don't know if I'm gonna eat it. Oh God, I kind of dropped it. Yep, there we go. And yeah, we're just at Lowe's. And I don't know where we're going to next. Maybe, I think we're going to Garden Ridge. But I don't want to go in there either, so I'll be in the car again. And then we're gonna go to Target, and I'm gonna convince my mom to take me to Target. I'm gonna force her. But yeah, that's what I'm up to. Hey guys, so we're at but I'm at Garden Ridge, and well, it's called At Home now. I don't know. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I didn't go in with my mom because I hate that place. I don't know, it's just so boring. And yeah, and my phone has like 3%, so if we go anywhere else, I probably won't have any battery left to vlog. But yeah, I really want to go back to Michael's because I have this video idea and I really want to film it. Oh, here comes my mom. Round. But yeah. That's what's... Hey guys, so right now we're decorating the tree. Mom, do you like decorating the tree?
Yes, I love decorating the tree.
There's the tree.
This is the family tree.
Yeah.
All the family ornaments from forever.
Here. See, I made this in Girl Scouts. It's a daisy. I made it when I was a daisy. And then here, I made, where is it? Oh, this in first grade. And my brother made the same exact thing in first grade. And we're 4 years apart. So that's cool. I'm playing Christmas music. Uh-oh. And look at the dogs. Mom. Yeah. Nice, nice. Oh, this is my favorite. That's my favorite ornament. It's American Girl doll. There's some others. Oh, this is when I was in first grade. And that's actually the one I made in first grade. And that's my brother's. And I don't know when that one's from. But yeah. Oops,
That's funny, you just hung that one and I'm hanging that one.
That's the mom and the daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you hang them? I think that one's upside down. The little hook. I'm so tired. Hey guys, so right now I'm just in my bed and I am so tired. Like, oh my god. I really want to take a shower, but I am so tired. I'm literally about to fall asleep. But Angel was snoring. You were snoring, Angel. But I think I will take a shower. I don't know. But I'm just going to end my vlog here. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.